The science behind psychic phenomena and intuition. Psychic phenomena, often depicted in popular culture as the ability to predict the future, communicate telepathically, or sense events from afar, have been a subject of fascination for centuries. But what does science say about these claims? Can some people truly tap into a sixth sense? And what about intuition? Is it a form of psychic ability, or is it rooted in our brain's complex processing systems? This article dives into the scientific research surrounding psychic phenomena and intuition to separate fact from fiction. 1. A historical overview. Psychic phenomena have been reported in nearly every culture, from ancient Greece's oracles to Native American shamans. Historically, people who claimed psychic abilities were either revered as spiritual leaders or condemned as charlatans. However, the late 19th and early 20th centuries saw a surge in scientific interest in the field. The Society for Psychical Research, founded in London in 1882, began conducting experiments to test the validity of psychic claims. 2. Modern research on psychic phenomena. Despite the early interest, psychic phenomena remained on the fringes of mainstream science for most of the 20th century. However, some researchers persisted in their quest to understand the unexplained. Parapsychology and ESP. Dr. J.B. Rhine, a botanist-turned-psychologist, pioneered the study of extrasensory perception, ESP, at Duke University in the 1930s too. Through controlled experiments, he attempted to determine if individuals could receive information without using the known senses. While some of his results suggested a statistical anomaly, many in the scientific community criticized his methodology. Remote viewing. In the 1970s, the U.S. government funded research into remote viewing, the ability to see distant or hidden objects using psychic means. The Stanford Research Institute conducted experiments, and while some results were intriguing, the program was discontinued, citing lack of conclusive evidence. The Ganzfeld experiments. These experiments, conducted in the 1980s, aimed to test for telepathy. Participants were isolated and subjected to sensory deprivation while trying to transmit a mental image to another person. Some studies showed results above chance levels, but replication by other researchers has been inconsistent. 3. Intuition, a biological perspective. Unlike psychic phenomena, intuition is widely recognized in the scientific community. It's often described as a gut feeling, or an immediate understanding without conscious reasoning. Neurological basis. Research suggests that intuition may arise from the brain's ability to pick up on patterns and make rapid judgments. The brain's amygdala plays a crucial role, processing emotional reactions before the conscious mind becomes aware. Experience and expertise. Studies have shown that experts in a field often rely on intuitive judgments. For instance, a chess master can intuitively pick the best move without analyzing every possibility. This suggests that intuition is, in part, a result of extensive training and experience. 4. Skepticism and criticism. Many scientists remain skeptical of psychic phenomena, citing lack of empirical evidence, flawed methodologies, and the influence of cognitive biases. The James Randi Educational Foundation once offered $1 million prize to anyone who could demonstrate psychic abilities under controlled conditions. The prize was never claimed. 5. Conclusion. While science has made strides in understanding intuition, psychic phenomena remain largely unexplained. Whether future research will shed light on these mysteries or relegate them to the realm of pseudoscience remains to be seen. For now, the debate continues, with believers and skeptics alike contributing to the discourse. References. Note: while this narrative provides an overview based on existing research, further exploration and reading are recommended for a comprehensive understanding. Always approach such topics with a critical mind and consider the sources of information. Please see the video description for references and sources for further exploration. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like for more informative videos like this. I always welcome comments and requests for additional topics to cover.